Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So, if you have noticed that your Xiaomi 13 is slowing down, it's not okay, because you have really great processor, you have a lot of RAM, and you have really speed storage, really fast storage. So if you have noticed that your device is starting to slow down, it means that 1. You have filled up your storage over 70%, or you are really not taking a good care of it. So I'll show you how to take a good care of it, and I will tell you about why you need to not to fill up your storage over 70%. So first, let's start by storage. Okay, so if you can check your storage, open settings, click about phone, and here you can see your storage. And as you can see, I have filled up maybe for about 40% of my storage. I have filled 100 megabytes of 256, and so now it's not 14, maybe 14%. So okay, so here between images and audio, here is the point of 70%. So never fill your storage over 70%, because after it your smartphone will start to slow down. And now, no matter iPhone you have, or you have Xiaomi or Huawei or Motorola device, your device will start to slow down. In iPhones, if you will fill up your memory over 99%, your device will stop to load. Your phone will start to put loop. Okay, so it's really a big problem if you have filled up your storage. So here is the winner, one who invests in device with more temporary storage. Okay, so the next aspect that can slow down your device is built-in temporary memory. So your memory, your RAM. So find RAM in your settings, and I can see RAM. Okay, here we have RAM, and as you can see, here we have RAM 8 plus 5 gigabytes. What it means? It means that I have extended my 8 pre-installed gigabytes in my RAM to 13 gigabytes of RAM. So I am using 5 gigabytes from my internal storage to use it like a RAM. We can do it using MIUI operation system, MIUI Android. So you can find here memory extension in your settings, and here choose 2 gigabytes, 3 or 5 gigabytes. I suggest use 3 gigabytes of extended RAM, because 5 gigabytes is useless, because Android operation system can't use 13 gigabytes. Android OS can use only 11 gigabytes of RAM now in 13 version. So it can use only 11 gigabytes of RAM. So just if you will use 3 gigabytes of extension, it will help you to improve your phone speed. And the last aspect to speed up, to make your device faster, is to enable performance mode. So just open settings, scroll down and find battery here. Here you'll see balanced mode, save battery and performance mode. So just enable performance. In this mode, your device will live shorter. No, not your device, but your battery life per day. As you can see, in normal mode, your device will live 15 hours, and So okay, it's not great counting of performance, but in performance mode, your processor can work in 100% of their performance. But in balanced mode, you have restrictions for processor performance to 70%. So if you want to really make your device faster, just enable performance mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.